you are watching this video on when is going to be the twin flame union. You can consider this as the next twin flame union or the twin flame union. Okay, so yes, this video is going to be based on that and we are going to discuss something about even about your twin flame journey. Okay, so yes, so here we have four different options. This is a pick a card reading, and in this reading, you are going to get details about when the union is going to happen, and if it is going to be delayed, why it is going to be delayed, some nitty-gritty of what exactly is going on, that we will check. Okay, so this is what this video is going to be about. Yes, there are certain things about this video I have to discuss first, so that you don't have any additional questions and I don't have to answer like 1,000 comments. Okay, so first of all, yes, this video is a timeless reading. Whenever you come across this video, the things that are being said in this video are going to be valid for you. This video is going to be a general reading, which is why there are going to be a few things that are going to be resonating with you. There will be few things that will not resonate with you. Whatever resonates, you have to keep it. Whatever does not resonate, you have to let it go. I am Preeti. I have been doing tarot since past 19 plus years, and in these 19 years, yes, I have read for like thousands of people, just sharing this with you so that you know that you are in reliable hands and you can rely on this reading. Okay, so yeah, so that being said, let's get started. So first of all, yes, as I said, there are like four options here, and out of these four options you have to select one option. Just pray to your God, whichever God you believe in, and ask your God for help in selecting what guidance needs to be heard to you. Yes, you have to hear that guidance today. Okay, so yes, so just in case, okay, dear God, spirit guides, please help my viewers to get the correct guidance through this video. Okay, so yes, so just in case if you selected the option number 1, then this video goes for you. Okay, so first of all, the card says that the next twin flame union is going to happen the next Monday. Okay, whenever you're watching this video, the next Monday the twin flame union is going to happen. Now okay, I have no idea what sort of noise is coming and what sort of disturbance you're going to feel it in this video. Okay, so yes, in last couple of days, things have been noisy in my video, and I'm so sorry for all of that. Yes, I don't have any control over the noises around me. I can have control over the noise that's inside the room that I am. Right? Okay, so first of all, yes, the next Monday you are going to have your twin flame union. Now you may say, okay, but that's not totally possible because your person, whoever your twin flame is, they are quite far away from you. So this could be the Monday whenever the union is possible. I would suggest this is going to be the closest Monday possible, and if you or your twin flame are going through a karmic time, you're going through some karmic setbacks, then once those setbacks are cleared, then the nearest Monday, your union will be happening. Okay, so let's see the other cards. First of all, I'm not going to give into fear. Okay, I know fear is only an illusion. So your twin flame knows that they are not going to get fearful about whatever is happening. They are just going to they are not going to be afraid of fear. So they are having full, I think at this moment they are having a lot of self-control, because see, first of all, to be even aware that you are afraid of things, that is actually a very big self-discovery. That yes, then you are starting to have conscious control over whether you give into your fears or you are just facing your fears. Okay, the next thing the card here is saying is, I always felt I had a higher calling in life, and our connection brings me more clarity on it. Okay, so your twin flame knows that yes, they have a higher calling in their life. They have always felt this, and at this moment they feel yes, because of you in their life, they have more clarity that yes, there is a higher calling in their life. And the last card here we have is the communication card. Neither one of us is being honest right now. Okay, so that being said, your twin flame knows that neither you are honest nor they are honest, and why are we afraid to express ourselves? So there could be something in your self-growth, there could be something in your twin flame's self-growth, that both of you are not being extremely honest with each other. It could be not being honest about each other's feelings, not being honest about how you feel about each other. Okay, so yes, so that is what the cards are saying. So yeah, so that is it for today's video. Let me know in the comments how much does this video resonate with you. I'll see you again in my my next video. Bye bye. Just in case if you have selected the option number 2, this card actually says Tuesday. You are going to meet your twin flame next on Tuesday. The next union is going to happen on Tuesday. So ultimately, from this card, it is actually, very clear that you and your twin flame are in close proximity of each other, which is where seeing each other this often is actually possible. Right, so that is what is going to happen. And again, if you say that okay, today itself is Tuesday, today I have no plans of meeting my twin flame, see, this could even be an online meetup, right? Even in today's world, in online meetup also means a lot. So this says that you are going to meet this person. And but also, cards are generally, they suggest that meetup is usually like a personal thing where you both meet each other personally. Okay, so let's see what the other cards are saying. So first of all, the card we have says karmic ties. Excuse me. So first card says karmic ties. Your children need to come first. Trust that they are part of our plan, my or our children. So if you and your twin flame are into a relationship where both of you are married, not married, but you have kids, then you and your twin flame both want to consider that everything about your children should come first. Alternate, your inner children need to inner children needs to come first. Okay, at the same time, if you don't have kids, then you have to know this, that there is an inner child inside everybody. Yes, this is from a psychological perspective, and everybody has an inner child, and that inner child, yes, if that inner child did not get enough satisfaction, enough attention, enough love in the childhood, that child is actually going to act up. Yes, that inner child is going to act up once you grow up. Okay, so it could be you or your twin flame or both of your inner child. You need to work on it. You need to give it the first priority. The next card we see here is the next solstice or equinox will bring an important shift for us. So solstice and equinox, yes, solstice occurs in one is in June, one is in January, in January, according to Hindu calendar, yes, we consider the solstice in January, whereas according to Western calendar it is considered in December. So yes, whatever you say, but you approximately got the idea when the solstice is. And equinox usually happens in either in March as well as in September. It could be like different in both the hemispheres, vernal equinox or the autumnal equinox. Okay, so yes, during solstice or during an equinox, there will be an important shift happening between you two. Okay, so some or the other energetic shift, spiritual shift is going to happen. See, something is usually happening during this time, because this is a very powerful time, which is why very powerful festivals, very powerful rituals are performed during these events. Okay, so that is what you have to be aware of. The next card we see here is you are projecting your own fears into limitations. Just ignore that noise. It is actually irritating me. I have no clue when it is going to stop, and I just cannot do it some other time. So this video is like, it is like compulsorily has to be shot at this moment. Okay, so please bear with it. Okay, but yes, the advice you are getting here, the guidance you are getting here is going to be genuine. Okay, so please bear with it. The first of all, yes, this card actually says you're projecting your own fears and limitations onto me. So it is either you are projecting your fears and limitations onto your twin flame, or your twin flame is projecting your limitations onto you. And yes, it's going both the ways, and go within to understand that you are seeing yourself, not me. Okay, so this card actually says you have to try to understand that you're seeing yourself. You are seeing just yourself and not me. Sometimes it happens that the flaws that you see in the other person are the flaws that you actually have it within you. Okay, so yes, this is actually a big eye opener that could happen with you if you never heard that first. Yeah, first time from me. If you heard that first time from me, this is going to be an eye-opener. So this card actually says that the same divine energy flows in each of us. This energy is the catalyst to our reunion. So there is divine energy that flows through both of you, and we just need to allow this energy to work its magic. So there is a divine energy inside you as well as your twin flame, and you just have to, and your twin flame says you need to allow this energy to work its magic. Most of the time people don't allow that divine energy to do its magic, which is where, yes, you just keep on being fearful. You just indulge in all sort of negative emotions where you don't allow that divinity to act through you. Okay, so yeah, so that is it for today's video. Until next time, bye bye. Okay, so just in case if you selected the option number 3, then this video is for you. So first of all, the card says, okay, how much time is going to be taken in the divine union, in the divine twin flame union? The card says divine timing is at its play. Okay, so here, see, whenever there is divine timing that is into play, whenever there is the hand of the divine into whatever is happening in your life, you will not be able to predict the exact timing. Okay, at the same time, you know, whenever like the divine energy is working through you, at that time, if you start acting up egoistically, if you start being more negative, more sarcastic, more egoistic, then also, you know, then you are going to delay the results. If you anticipate too much, oh my gosh, what's going to happen, then also you are going to delay the results. If you do not expect anything, then the best will happen. Okay, so which is why the card is saying that yes, the card says divine timing is at play. So you have to make sure that you allow the divine to do his magic, and don't try to over anticipate and just be worried about everything. Okay, because yeah, first of all, yes, we are alchemists, so we perform fear, we transform fear into love and shadow into light. So first of all, this card says that yes, you are alchemist, you and your twin flame, you are alchemist. What is an alchemist? Alchemist is a person who actually uses his energy to bring up, to manifest things into their life out of thin air. Okay, if you have not read the book Alchemist by Paulo Coelho, that's a beautiful book. You should be reading that book. So yeah, so that is what you should be reading. We transform fear into love and shadow into light. So this card actually says your twin flame says yes, your mission is to transform fear into love and shadow into light. Okay, so that is what your mission has to be. The next card, your twin flame, about your twin flame journey is, I'm tired of being away from you physically. Your twin flame is actually being tired. Your twin flame is actually getting worn out of all that twin flame drama that's going on, and yes, they are actually getting tired of being away from you. I'm trying to process my fears so I can come back to you. Yes, they are trying. They are aware that fear is something that is holding back, that is holding them away from you. So which is why they are trying to work on their fear. Okay, that is what the card says. The next card we have here is this: clear the illusions of the 3D world. Don't take everything at face value. Okay, clear the illusions of 3D world. This is such a big thing right now, because in this world, in this fast changing internet world where everything is, you know, people just believe everything that's just coming up on social media. Social media is a big lie. Everybody knows that, yet anybody who sees those short videos, 15-second videos, they just feel that somebody has an awesomely perfect life, whereas they have a tragic life, they have a bad life, their life sucks. Okay, this is what maximum people think, which is what the card says, that your twin flame is aware, and this is the message that is coming to you, that clear the illusions of the 3D world. You have to clear the illusions. You have to make sure that you don't take everything that is coming at face value, and there's a lot more going on spiritually and energetically than you can see. Okay, so yes, whatever you see is going on, there is more to it than what just appears on face value. But this card actually says that I don't feel deserving, and it's affecting my levels of abundance and openness. Okay, so your twin flame, they don't feel deserving. Okay, see, twin flame, as you know, that they are always on this journey of yes, self-improvement, and which is why, you know, there is a fear that they are not good enough, they're not well deserving. Could be something in their childhood that they had to go through, which is why they actually have this ingrain inside their mind that they don't deserve good things. So this is what is that, and it's affecting my levels of abundance and openness. So this is what your twin flame is getting affected by. They feel that their abundance and openness is getting affected by it. So yeah, so that is it for today's video. I hope that this video has helped you. If you have liked this video, hit the like button. Let me know in the comments how much does this video help you. Until next time, bye bye. Okay, so just in case if you have selected the option number 4, then let's see what is it, how is it, when is it your twin flame union going to happen. So the card says stop worrying too much. Okay, so this actually, here there is no answer when your twin flame is going to happen, but somewhere or the other this says a lot about how you are taking your twin flame journey. So yes, there are people who just get totally horrified about when they are going to be meeting next. So yes, this says you have to stop worrying too much. Sometimes worrying also pushes away what you really want to happen in life, which is why that card clearly says that you have to stop worrying too much. And this card actually says that there are messages being exchanged through music and movies. There are messages being exchanged through music and movies. So just in case, whenever you are listening to some music, whenever you are watching any movie, at that time, whenever that thing is happening, and you just feel that aha moment, that some or the other message has just come to you. That is what you have to make sure that you note it down. That is going to be something that is of value to you. That's going to be some guidance to you. Okay. This card actually says listen carefully and trust trust what you hear. So you have to listen carefully, you have to trust what you hear, and for that you will actually need a calm mind. And you see, music and movies, sometimes it just makes you so strongly focused. Even a movie that is highly interesting, you are just not worried about what is around you, you're not just aware what is around you, and you're totally and sharply focused on the screen, and you're just like everything about that movie is captivating all your senses. So sometimes it is impossible to even get distracted if it is a good movie. Okay, if it is a good movie, yes, that's totally possible. And that is the sort of moment when an important message, some important guidance is going to come through you. The next card we have here is this. What we are experiencing is part of a larger collective clearing. Don't feel alone because others are healing too. Yes, so whatever you are experiencing, it is actually a part of a higher collective healing. Okay, so don't think that only you are struggling, only you are having problems, only you are suffering and something this, that. Don't think that. You are actually healing amongst many others, which is why you are feeling this way. You could be feeling like things are just going slow, things are not moving fast, but that is why, because you are healing, right? Things happen super smoothly, super speedily when everything is all right, when every energy is flawless. But all the energies are never flawless, especially on this planet. The next card is this. This card actually says, I want to hold you in my arms and feel our bodies unite as one. So twin flame is also struggling, and they are also wanting to unite. They also want some intimacy with you, which you can clearly see in the cards. So yes, that is that. The last card we see here is this, and this card is, yes, the journey is teaching us of one of the most important spiritual lessons, patience. Okay, so see, you worry too much because yes, you don't have patience, and this card actually says you are supposed to have patience. So the more you quickly learn that patience is an important thing in life, patience is an important virtue in life, that is how quicker your problems are going to be solved. Okay, so yeah, so that is it for today's video. I hope that this video helps you. If you have liked this video, hit the like button, try to share this video with others. I will see you again in my next video. Do stay subscribed to my channel, and before I end this video, I would like to share with you that yes, till 26th August there is a Janmashtami special offer on my website. Yes, I did this off. I'm doing this offer after a very long time. All the services listed on my website are on a 50% discount. So services like tarot reading, services like yes, hypnotherapy, past life regression therapy, and spiritual counseling, right? Spiritual counseling, just in case you just want to talk to me and you just want to ask me spiritual questions, like questions about chakras, questions about your meditation journey. If you want to ask that, yes, even consultation, general consultation fees, where you just want to talk to me, that also is like on 50% discount. So just make the most of it and use that time. Okay, so yes, that offer is valid till 26th of August 2024. Just in case if you watch this video after that time and you just feel, oh, you just missed an extremely good offer, then you can actually contact me. If you are like consulting with me for the first time, you will definitely get some discount. Okay, so yes, try to check out all the details about my consultations on my website. My website address is given somewhere on the screen, and if you won't have any questions before booking the consultation, you can connect with me on the number given on the screen. Make sure that you don't directly call. Please just message me, either send me a text message or a WhatsApp message, and ask me whatever inquiries you have. You can send a voice note or you can send a text note, and once I revert back, once the session is booked, after that, that session will happen. You will get details about how the session will happen. Also, if you cannot wait about how the sessions will happen, you can go to my website and check out all the details. Okay, so yeah, so that is it for today's video, and yeah, let me know in the comments how much does this video help you. Until next time, keep following the path of your soul's purpose, because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.